This AI channel made over $10,000 a month, and the craziest part: no face, no filming, no editing skills. Just cute babies, adorable dogs, and AI doing all the work. Most people think making money online is complicated. It's not. You just need content people can't stop watching. And right now, cute baby and animal shorts are dominating the algorithm. As your shorts blow up, you earn from creator funds, monetization, brand deals, affiliate links. That's how channels like this hit $10,000 plus per month in a short time. Not overnight magic, but simple, repeatable action. You don't need talent. You don't need experience. You don't even need to show your face. AI plus viral emotions equals opportunity. If you're not using AI for content right now, you're already behind. Follow this channel. I'll show you exactly how to build it step by step. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok are begging for content. They push short, emotional videos to millions of people for free. And guess what humans love the most? Cute faces, funny animals, short, wholesome stories. That's why this works even for beginners. First, you come to Chopped. You ask it for a short, emotional script like a baby meeting a puppy for the first time. Boom. Script done in seconds. Next, you take that script and generate an AI voiceover. No microphone, no speaking, just clean, viral narration. Then you create AI images. Cute babies, fluffy dogs, heart-melting moments. AI makes them look cinematic and viral ready. Now convert those images into a short AI video. Add subtitles, add music. That's it. You just created content people scroll stop for. Here's the secret sauce. You can do this every single day. One script, one voiceover, one video. Repeat. No burnout, no creativity block, just simple automation.